Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brent, and I'll be your guide today on Unfocused Adventures. Today I'm just getting my hair cut and doing some testing of video editing and filming while driving. So this camera angle is not very flattering, so I'm going to be improving that. But for now, we're just going to put some of this together in a little video put out today. Just to get you guys to know who I am. I'm going to just videotape myself all day, just take the maybe 3 minutes worth of stuff that's worthwhile to put on video and put something together. Anyway, I'm going to go and get my haircut. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're all done the haircut. We're going to head home now. I'm not using my DJI mic. I'm going to actually use the Pro feature video on my phone. I have it set to front speaker to see if that does anything. See if it's clear. My truck is running, but there's no radio or defrost on right now. So let's head in towards town, and I got a few errands to run. I got to grab some salt and maybe something at McDonald's. In Nova Scotia, Canada, which is one of the easternmost provinces, and I live just outside of Halifax, which is the capital of Nova Scotia. I just started a YouTube channel after I purchased a drone before Christmas and started getting some shots and wanted somewhere to put them. They take there's a lot of storage room to keep them on your phone. So I started doing that with YouTube. That was my intent, and then I got involved with playing around with doing some editing. I really enjoyed it, so I'm gonna see how it goes. My film is not going to be perfect. My mic is not going to be perfect. But we're going to improve as we go. And hopefully you'll be here to improve with me. Pretty icy today. We had a lot of freeze up overnight. Gonna get some snow tonight. Probably supper time. Ouch. Into photography a little bit. But never professional. I don't know all the shutter values and all the jimbo jambo. I know enough to get by. Fake it till you make it. Anyway, I'm also learning now some editing. So drone footage editing. I'm going to film whatever I do. I'm not really in a niche. So that's why it's called Unfocused Adventures. I'm also going to learn to look at the right spot on this phone when I'm recording, because you'll notice that my eyes keep glancing over there. I'm going to have to draw a little face or something around the camera lens. But until then, you're stuck with me in this form. Looks like the phone's even bouncing. Just going to film myself until we get up here, just in case anything comes out of my mouth that's usable. I'm semi-retired, and I have a lot of hobbies no one's really interested in, especially my wife. She supports me, but who wants to see pictures of rocks and four-wheelers and drone flights over the woods? Well, hopefully you guys do. I'm going to post it here anyway, just so I'll have a record of it. And if you guys like to join along, that'd be great. You can subscribe if you want. I'm up to a booming 13 subscribers now. That's not what's important to me right now. I just want to get a base of videos put up there. I want to learn all the skills that I can and apply them to this as a hobby. I'll have a record of it. I also feel that as I'm in my early 50s, I may have a little bit more knowledge on some topics. Some I'll have no knowledge on whatsoever. I try to stay up with technology as best I can. I'm not perfect by any means, and any of the things that I do, I'm not a professional. I'm not a professional drone flyer or drone pilot. I'm not a professional editor, not a professional photographer. I'm not a professional motocross driver or trail runner or mud runner, but I enjoy everything about those outdoor adventures, and I also enjoy landscaping. So this is just a test to see how much background noise there will be in the truck. But I think from this experience, I enjoy filming while I'm driving, because I'm concentrating on other things, and I'm not so self-conscious about being on film, if that makes any sense. Another thing I don't like is this camera angle, so I'm going to look for a section cut mount that I can put on my windshield or my side window, because this just isn't cutting it. My eyes are drawn to the wrong part of the camera, over there instead of over here. I find a little corner to tuck away, because we don't want all people thinking that I'm crazy sitting in the truck talking to myself. Although half this neighborhood probably thinks I'm crazy already. And backing up, snowbank. If you're interested in any of those things I just mentioned, and you'd like to follow along my journey just to see what I end up doing, please subscribe to Unfocused Adventures, and we'll see you next time. I appreciate you all, and thank you very much for your support.